So after watching our YouTube video of galvanic cells, you're probably wondering if whether there's an easier way you can remember all that stuff that we just forced in on that galvanic cell video. If you haven't watched it, go back to our playlist, which is chemistry grade 12, and you'll find our video there, our first galvanic cell video. So today we'll be looking at mnemonics to help you remember galvanic cells. Mnemonics are phrase words that help you remember the work a lot less easier than just, reading the notes and trying to memorize a lot of notes. These are just phrases. If you know the phrases, then the word comes back, So we'll start with oil rig. An oil rig is a machine, for those who don't know, is a machine that is used to dig up for oil or mine oil. That's how they say it. So oil rig, if you remember oil, then you will know that oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. So oil rig, oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. So this is the mnemonic that is going to help you to remember what oxidation is and what reduction is, because a lot of times you have noticed that students get reduction and oxidation mixed up because they try to look at the word reduce, in reduction, and then they thinking that reduction is a loss of electrons. It does not work like that. Just remember oil rig. Oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. And then here we're going to look at an ox, red cat. So the illustration is a brief explanation of what is happening here. Because a lot of times we have also found that students do not know that reduction happens at the cathode and oxidation happens at the anode. So if you remember it like this, you will always know what happens at the cathode and what happens at the anode. Reduction takes place at the cathode, red cat. If you remember red cat and an ox, you will know that reduction takes place at the cathode, oxidation takes place at the anode. That's all we have for now. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.